The title of today's topic is Humanity, Happiness and Drugs. Drugs, later on explain drugs mean what. Drugs mean, in fact, drug means really those drugs which are banned. But in detail, I just start off. Since the evolution of mankind, that is say hundreds of years and leave that, we take say for the last 100 years, uh, the period which we know, which we can judge, which we can see, people are suffering from so many diseases, out of which 80% diseases are linked with our mind, brain, and intellect, whatsoever, with the levels of brain. And 30% people of this earth planet are under depression. So, what is the aim of medical science? That people should be free from sufferings and enjoy good health. And the upliftment of society is possible only if society is happy. Otherwise, upliftment is not possible. If no happiness, no upliftment, because one will remain immersed in the making his health normal and taking medicine. So no happiness. Happiness main is concerned with mind. Since 80% diseases with mind, so spiritual Indian scriptures say, yeah, Indian scholars say, yeah, Indian spiritual people say that if you do meditation, then you can achieve happiness up to the level of 90%. It is very true. But this meditation is not been achieved by, is not been done by 99% of the people, because it is something tedious which society people, family people are unable to go up to this meditation level. Number of persons, billions, millions say, I have tried, and after 5 minutes of concentration, what is meditation? People generally don't know what is meditation. Meditation is concentration of mind, knowing the truths, etc. And going insight into oneself, clearing doubts, what is nature, what is world, where from this world has come, what should be the way of life, all this. So people have got no time to, their mind is not concentrated in meditation. After 2 minutes, 4 minutes, ideas are coming in mind and meditation is disturbed. Concentration is disturbed. Meditation is a kind of concentration of mind, which is not achievable by the general people. So, medical science should do in terms of these drugs. Everybody knows that these drugs are banned and these have got major side effects. But these drugs, if high research is done on these drugs which are banned, then medicines can be, say, invented, or medicine can be formed like a corona vaccine if you do research on those drugs which are banned. So many medicines, high research. Well, the governments who are spending so much money on medical equipments, hospitals, and still no results, and the 30% people of this world who are depressed, that is also disease concerned with mind. So the best way for the happiness of humanity and upliftment of humanity, and to remove sufferings from this earth planet, these drugs should be uh, a new form of drugs, a new form of medicine can be invented out of these drugs. So this is called drug therapy. Is it? I give a crude examples. Say we have got milk. Out of milk, if somebody say this is milk and this is ghee, nobody will agree that from this very milk, this ghee is derivative of this milk. It seems impossible, but this is milk and this is ghee. How they are correlated? But it is fact. This is a crude example. In the same lines, those very drugs which are banned by all the countries, and so many punishments are done, and so much effort is done to ban those drugs because of their side effects. So all the efforts by the government should be done to find the medicine, right medicine, after long research, that which medicine can be formed out of those medicine which is good for the humanity, which is good for the happiness of humanity. So everybody is happy that these are banned and government is doing all this. But why not to, if the drugs are of such type which can give happiness to humanity, why not to derive those after deep research, those medicine can be derived out of that banned drug, which gives happiness, different kind of experience to mankind without any side effects. Why not? It is possible. Everything is possible, but governments and medical science is not giving any attention. So, in the present setup, the system of the society, which is different one. Now the people can't be that spiritual minded like 100 years before or this and that. No, the right thing is the right medicine, and out of those drugs, medicine should be invented, and that can be given, and everybody can feel. Society can get happiness without any side effects, no depression, and one can achieve the higher realism of world. And that's all. Thank you.